Why act now? Let's face it, AI is the future and is going to change the world more than anything in the history of mankind. So, why is it so important? That's because it can leverage the power of learned intelligence to make optimal decisions and discoveries in a fraction of the time it would take humans to do so. The reality is that it's already driving innovative smart solutions with emerging technologies like big data, robotics, and Internet of Things. It's the secret behind success of companies like Tesla, Facebook, Google, and Amazon, who are already gaining the advantage of this intuitive technology. No wonder even the great Elon Musk warned of the consequences of not getting educated on AI now. Therefore, getting your child enrolled in an AI program is no more a choice but a necessity before it's too late for them. That's where Python and AI for Kids program can equip your kids with skills and technologies of the next generation. With us, your child gets access to hands-on projects and interactive online learning experience to make their learning journey even more exciting. A fun way of learning Python and AI with real-life applications that students can relate to their daily lives.